We'll help you on how to invest in cryptocurrencies in CashApp Mobile.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
Open up CashApp, go to the middle hand screen and click the magnifying glass icon. Underneath here, go to the middle hand screen under Discover and click Search. Under the search bar, type in Bitcoin. One word, lowercase. Click the first option, Bitcoin. In order to invest in cryptocurrencies or in Bitcoin, you can see the current price of Bitcoin and the historical chart. Click the first option, Buy. As you can see, you have different levels or different orders to buy Bitcoin at the price. You can even have a custom order of Bitcoin. You can even change the order type. In order to successfully invest in cryptocurrencies, you can auto invest. This will set up automatic daily, weekly, or bi-weekly purchases of Bitcoin. Or you can create a custom purchase order completely for free.